Binary Options podcast, YouTube live trading show where Todd keeps his camera where he has tons of room above his head.
Well,
It
dude,
looks so
you
weird.
gave me a chance to
There you
adjust
go.
here. Yeah, I wasn't even. I didn't have my camera where I wanted it.
Well, just get ready, man.
I wasn't ready. I just sat down.
I know. See,
I
Todd
just-
spends so much time in the bathroom on the toilet that he doesn't. He
Man,
neglects all of his other stuff.
I took my poop long before we did this show. All right.
Really?
Well, long before we got on here, at least 10 minutes ago.
That's not long. Okay, whatever.
Trying to find.
Today we're doing daytime trading. We're doing 6 wins in binary options, and we're going to go 5 deep. That's our plan. You want our sheets? You can go on fascinatingworldofbinaryoptions.com and let us know in the comments. We're going to be talking today. Our topic today is random insane people, and so we're just going to talk about random insane people.
So we're talking about a lot of your family, huh?
Mostly, I was going to say we're talking about our wives and our family. Yeah, I can't. We cannot go there today.
No, I don't think that's a good idea.
It's way too real for me today, man.
But yeah, yeah, that's not a good idea. Yeah, we got to get back to the because we were talking about how we've kind of abandoned a lot of things, and yesterday we kind of got back to our roots, so we need to get back onto funny topics as well. Or
yeah, so my
not
first
necessarily
random
funny,
insane
but-
person is going to be my shirt that I'm wearing, Chuck Norris. Random insane person, Chuck Norris. That's one of them. And Todd knows a lot of really insane people.
I do know insane people. I don't know if they're insane. I know weird people. I know a lot of weird people.
He knows a lot of weird people.
A lot of
He's
weird
like the
people.
king of weird friends.
To you, but I think some of your friends are weird.
I wouldn't argue with you.
But who isn't weird? Well, I guess we can talk about this here as soon as we.
Oh
get
yeah.
started.
But first, I've got to take my hair growth pill right now. But first, take my Viviscal hair growth pill. I'll be right
Okay.
back. I got to take that and make that. I got to make that work. I mean, I got to grow me some hair. I got to grow. Hold on a second. This episode is brought to you by Viviscal, hair growth for men.
Hair growth for men. What kind of hair would that be?
I don't know, man.
Manly hair.
I got a lot of chest hair, so I don't need any more of that.
Yeah, I got.
I'm guessing it might
I
grow
got
some
some
hair.
chest hair. Yeah, I don't need no more chest hair.
I got about 10 times more chest hair than you do.
You wanna bet on that? You willing to prove it right here?
No, well, hold on a minute. I shaved my chest. Let's give it a couple months and then I'll prove it.
Oh, okay. We got to give it some time, huh?
I shaved my chest a couple weeks
You're not prepared to take on this right now.
I shaved my chest. I still have more chest hair than you, so
It's probably true though. I mean, you're probably not wrong.
You know who has more chest hair than anybody I know?
I know who you're going to say.
Who?
Our old bass player.
Oh, okay. He might actually be second. He might be first. I don't know, dude. I wonder what as a teenager he had more chest hair than my Uncle Junior. So you're probably right, dude. Dude, he didn't just have chest hair. That's why they called him Teen Wolf, dude.
Right.
But my Uncle Junior, dude, he's got some serious. I mean, he's like that. He's just like Teen Wolf, man. His chest hair doesn't stop. It just goes up, goes over, around. I mean, I'm actually like that too. If I didn't shave, dude, I'd have hair coming out the back.
I don't shave my chest and stuff like that, you know?
No, because you don't have the problem that I have.
What, being hairy?
Yeah, being extremely, dude. I would have chest hair. My chest hair doesn't stop; it just goes up to my beard.
It's funny how
my neck because my
our
chest hair
topic is like weird people, and here we are talking about like body hair.
Insane people.
That's a whole other topic.
Okay, but my chest hair would go up my chest, up my neck, and into my face, and my beard ends like up here on my eyeballs. I don't even know. Maybe I am a teen wolf. Anyway,
maybe you're weird. Maybe you're insane.
Insanely strange. All right, I'm looking at charts now because
I'm looking at charts too, but I'm just talking while I do because
Well,
a lot of them, some of them are at 92%, which is good because, well, let's make sure we
290.
State our trades. What are our trades today?
It's 290, 660, 1440, I believe. I wrote these down, to be honest with you, but now I can't read my handwriting. 1490.
I make sure you can.
3360, 7560, 660, 290. Okay. On our sheet, we're on day 6, I believe. Profit today is going to be a whopping $13.92, hopefully, or more if we get 92%. We're already at
we are at 92%.
We're already about $1 into this chart anyway.
I'm looking at Euro NZD and I want to see what it does because stepped up really nice. We could have got 6 straight wins there.
Oh wow, look at that! Boom. You think it's going down from here?
I don't know. You know, it could just tank, or it could.
Yeah, I'd be looking at the MACD to see if it's actually going to do a crossover.
Because it's moving very slow. So
we've been having a lot of people follow us, and actually some people are doing their own trading. So I want to make the disclaimer.
Yeah,
right now, binary options are dangerous. They're fast money. Also, lose your money fast. Also, we know that we're on a delay because we're on a live stream on YouTube.
And someone told us just yesterday or day before, I'm 1 candle ahead of you.
Right.
And so we were like, well, can you tell us what that candle is? So no, that's because by the time he's seeing us, he's already into the next candle. So
yeah, so it's probably about a minute late. It could be up to half an hour, half. So we're talking about charts. If you were making 5-minute trades or 10-minute trades, you could probably listen to us and make trades and think about it.
You'd still be getting in about a minute late, maybe.
Yeah, you'd still be getting
maybe not a minute, but
if position matters, and it does, then the position, like it could be off just by 1 candle and you could lose.
Yeah.
So make your trades at your own risk. Ooh, look at Brent oil is sort of going up. Not sort of, it is.
They're at 80.
That's okay. But Brent oil's above its last line of resistance support. Wow, it's way up there. It may be just heading up for the hills. It may not.
It might be, about to.
What did you say? What were we looking at? NZD what? Euro NZD?
I don't know, man.
What?
I was looking at Euro NZD.
It didn't do what you thought.
It didn't do what I thought, but that doesn't mean that it's not gonna draw a line there, because I think it might be playing near
Euro NZD. Yeah, it is.
It's playing at a line.
And its next line is up there pretty high. Yeah. So if it breaks this line and goes up, I would say we could call this, and it might go up to that line, because unless it just stays here and consolidates for quite a while, it could consolidate quite a while, which would be not great. But you know what I mean? If it goes above this line,
yeah,
all the indicators are kind of still pointing up. Well, not all of them, but I mean, they're not. No, they're way rounded. I think this is going to stay flat.
But might.
If it breaks, then I think we'd have a really good chance. Kind of like we have on Brent oil. Brent oil broke above where that line that's on Brent oil is a pretty big line, and it's above it now. So, it's above a big line. It hit that line so many times, dude. And now I kind of think, you see how many times it hit that line? Boom, 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 and then boom again. And then
broke it. Clearly broke it.
It's clearly broke it, and it's going up.
But now it's kind of going sideways. So
kind of is, yeah. So I don't know if it's like it's being rejected now or not rejected. It's kind of making a second choice to go back down.
Crude though, crude is like, crude looks nice waterfall here, but it's got some wicks on it, and it's at a line of all kinds of crazy crap back there.
Its big line is down here. I'm gonna make the big lines like more thick. It's got a big line right there, and then it's got another big line down here. But yeah, that's from last night. I'm gonna clear those out. Where's it? Yeah, I guess that's the top line.
Whatever all that crap is kind of it's right at that now.
Yeah, that was kind of a like a consolidation point. Yeah. So if this drops again, this one could, if it passes through that, we could start putting it because it'll probably go down to the next line. Positionally, I think we could even put this candle. I mean, it's not breaking it yet, so let's wait and see what happens. Last time it threw one green candle and then it just kept going. I kind of like this. I like this position. I almost think that we could get on the next candle if this one, if it breaks it. So it's broken through that sort of consolidation area. Let's watch this candle, see if there's any pressure to it. Doesn't seem like a ton of pressure, but it's moving slow. You think it's going to head down to that next line?
I don't know. We didn't get that green candle I thought we were going to get.
Yeah. Sometimes when the candles are like that, I almost count that as a green because it was green for a long time. But there's our green candle.
Yeah.
It hasn't really broken the line yet, has it? Not with any authority. It hasn't broken with any authority. But dude, Brent oil is still going up. It's sprinkled with red candles, but do you think the next one on Brent, well, it's too soon. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. But I think Brent oil's actually a pretty good idea. Brent oil would be one of those charts you could just ride up.
Yeah, what scares me is that I don't know when it's going to turn around here, and it's been kind of going sideways with a lot of red sprinkled in there.
Let's take it. Look at that green. Well, you're right. The big green candles are followed by reds, but that was around that line. Then it went up. Then it had a red up, red up. Red.
Yeah, every other one was a red. So I just, when they've been doing it that long, they're kind of due for.
Dude, do you think we should call crude? Look what it just did.
Let me look at it.
Just did, dude. That was a massive green candle. That's the line that it was sitting on.
Well, it's been going down for a long time, so it could either turn around or it could.
Well, look at the stochastic and the MACD.
Well, look at the last time it had.
The last time fall. The stochastic cricked way up and then it just cricked back down.
Yeah, I mean.
But that's when the MACD was wide open down. Dang it, I don't know. I can't read this one either.
Yeah.
I almost think that. I don't know. I can't read this one either. It's not good enough. I can read Euro NZD. Euro NZD is going up, dude. It's got a nice move up. It retracted, and now it's retracting again a little bit. But I think in terms of its next level, it's got a ways to go up there. I don't know. Crude is definitely.
I think Euro NZD is probably going to throw a few red candles before it goes back up again.
Go look at crude, because if the MACD crosses right now, I mean, we could take a call on it. It does look like it's probably heading back up. I don't know if it's going to cross. I think it's going to. No, see, it's weak right now. It's a weak cross there. Now I don't know if it will cross here or not. The reason the MACD crossed up anyway was one green candle out of nowhere. That's the reason it cricked. And I noticed when I studied this method that when the MACD cricks like that, that's basically almost always followed by a false crossover, because it didn't gradually cross. There wasn't any force. It just, that green candle caused it to crick up, and then, So actually, I think we could put this.
Visa is kind of a nice step down. It's got a few green dojis in there, but.
Where's it been? Where's it going?
That's what I want to know.
Sorry. That was like I cleared my throat right in the microphone.
Yeah, I do that a lot, but I try not to do it directly.
Yeah, let's take the next call. Let's put this, dude. Can we put this?
Yeah, I would say that looks pretty safe to me.
Is it night? Oh, it's at 84%.
It's not quite 92, but I think that it's been in a nice downtrend here.
It's kind of below where it's been. I mean, I guess it's got one more level down here that it could hit a while ago. And
but I think we could easily get our first win here.
This line right down here is where I'm going to make it black. This is where this thing started. Yes, today. or whatever. You see this thing right here where it was like all night, it was like small, and then it popped up, or I don't even know if it was all night. It was, yeah, at 1600, at 0 hours. It's this massive candle popped up to there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a win, right?
This is gonna be a win, I believe. Yeah.
Do you think there's another one? I'm not.
I'm not convinced. It's been doing 1, 2, and then a little green doji or something, but I think this one's gonna be our win, and boom, we won that.
There we go. There's your first win. One, two, three. Yeah, it's not had more than like 3 or 4
before it throws a green. So,
but is it in general, if it goes green?
Because we could take a 2 minute, but it did climb a little bit when you go up a little ways. It right there. It climbed a bit. So if you were to take a 2 or 3 minute put,
I would want it on a bigger candle, like if it shot up a little bit.
Yeah.
Right now it's got 3. Well, dude, right now there's 3 candles with no wicks. 4 one here. I mean, should we put this one? This one looks like it. I mean, that's a lot of down pressure. We've got it. I think we could.
Hasn't done more than I know, but I don't know. I'm worried that there's going to be a turnaround here.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I mean there are green candles kind of sprinkled in here. That's why we should put it when it goes up here for like 2 minutes. Yeah.
And this is, I mean, unless this goes down, it's doing exactly what it's been doing. It's throwing a little doji there.
The MACD's also at the bottom of its thing, and the MACD's, the stochastic's kind of starting to creep back. I don't really know. This one could be over. We can keep looking at it. Brent oil is actually consolidating on a line now. I think Brent oil is actually one we could watch for the little bit here, because if it actually looks like it could be a put pretty soon. But I think I'm going to wait until it decides. A lot of times when they climb for a long time, they start to turn around, but then they really just consolidate. So it's kind of annoying because we think it's going to turn around and then it just consolidates. But that was a false cross. What were we on? Visa? Yeah, Visa's kind of
okay. Look at Euro NZD.
Yeah, I just did that.
That one is I don't know, because this is the one that a minute ago it looked like it was perhaps about to tank, and then it just climbed right back up.
Right.
So is it doing that again? Is it just doing that in a higher position?
Maybe
it's going to climb for 10 candles and then dip again.
Right. Like we could probably call this candle. I'm not going to, but
yeah, but theoretically, if it does what it did before, then yes.
Like if it gets another green candle here, but it's at a consolidation line right now.
Mm-hmm. But it was before.
Oh, and it broke it. Look at that. Yeah. You want to call this next candle because it can go up to here. I think it could go up 5 candles from here. The stochastic is kind of straight. MACD is sort of, yeah. I'm going to watch this one. I guess it's based on candle pressure right now because the indicators are all kind of straight. We are in an uptrend, but we're in a line. That candle looks like it's got some decent pressure and it's got some room to go. So, and this is what it's been doing. It's had its down pressure. So you think it's going to buy out now? I think so. I think we should call this.
It's a good possibility. I mean, this is a big candle. But do you want to take a 1 minute on this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because I think it's gonna reach for the sky for a minute. I don't know if it's gonna be much longer, but I think.
But we could get a win on this one.
I think it wants to go up there.
I think so. Come on. Don't retract. Come on.
It kind of broke out of its consolidation.
Keep reaching. There you go. There you go. Come on. Nope, not that way. The other way. Come on.
Went up and then it went up and down.
Well, okay, that's not good.
We got 20 seconds. Don't give up on it yet. The MACD is still up. The stochastic is still up. It does have some. It didn't get past its. It's holding down 10 seconds. It's holding down 8 seconds. Holding down 5. Dang it.
Crap.
290, that was a loss. 660 is our next trade. We're going back in whenever we think we find one. Let's see. Well, what does that mean? I mean, what does that mean on this?
It means it didn't do what it was what it was doing before. Okay, you got the amount in?
Yeah, 660.
You got the decimal in there?
Yeah. Right now this one's confusing me.
Yeah.
I think Brent oil is still consolidating.
I'm not looking at Brent oil. I'm looking at these 92% guys. Okay, here's a good one.
Whoa.
NZD, JPY. What?
Look at Visa too.
Hold on.
Okay, NZD, JPY. Oh, yeah. That one's good. Well, that one's...
Visa?
Visa might actually be more ripe for
a call?
Yeah. Do you think so?
Do you want to take a 1 minute or?
I don't know yet. I mean, yeah. I mean, I think we could take a 1 minute. If it dips down, maybe I should just take it. It's sort of crossed and.
If that dips down at all, just take a 1 minute. You know, if it dips down a little ways, then take a 1 or I guess. I mean, we don't know what it's going to do with the line. I don't want to take a 2 because it could fall.
Like dip downs like this? Like this? Like, yeah.
Let it drop a little bit.
Like
then take it.
Tell me when.
Hold on. I don't know if it's going to go back down at this point. It might just blow up there. At this point, you might as well just take it at the end of the candle.
Okay.
But I think it's. I mean, I hope it don't turn around, but it doesn't look like it's going to.
You want to wait or take it?
I think you should take at this point.
At this point, I think no.
I think no, yeah.
Because it hit the white line. Okay.
Came close to it anyway.
You said that was Visa we were talking about, right?
Yeah.
What other one did you say? Euro NZD?
I think this may just go down from here, or it's going to consolidate. It looks like a consolidation candle, but could actually go down. If it closes out below that green candle, I think it's going to maybe go down a little bit, but.
Well, it's been going down. It's been hitting the white line and going down. If it throws another green candle here, we could take up like a 2 minute put. Or if it throws a red candle, we could go with a 1 minute. Oh, I guess we just watch it. That's a lot of down pressure.
Yeah, I think it's gonna go. It's probably gonna go red again here.
Not so convinced. It's the blue's above the yellow. I mean, I think that's the hard part about this one. The blue's above the yellow average.
I don't know that it'll stay that way though.
Yeah, that one's screwy. Euro Brent oil. Yeah, Brent oil's been climbing, man. It hasn't been climbing very steady, but it's been climbing. I'm going to just keep looking. I need something better. I need a better position. So we're on a second trade.
And I want to win it too.
Amazon, man, crap. Amazon OTC, it took a big climb.
78%.
78%. Goodbye, Amazon. FedEx silver. Oh, yeah, dude. Look at silver. Silver's ripe for another red candle here and a possible crossover. It's in decent position to do it. I like that. I like the position of silver. The stochastic's heading down out of overbought. The MACD is.
How come commodities never go to 92?
I don't know.
Okay. See, Brent oil is like, it's just been in a massive uptrend. Now it's got 3 red candles here. So I don't know if it's, I don't know. I mean, do you think when it's been in a big uptrend that's been consistent and steady like that for that long,
I think
do
we
you
could
think
call
the
it for
things
3
just
minutes.
fall?
No. I think they have to turn around. I think like this, I think we could call, because I think the ones that I've noticed that turning around, if you look at any chart like silver, I mean the white line has been sort of static. It's been going up and down a little bit. This one's just tanked up, you know. When you see them turning like snaking back and forth, it's more likely the white line is. These are still pretty spread apart, but I mean, I guess it could at any time turn around. But I think in general, I think it has to get closer to the white line is what I'm saying. It's kind of far away from the white line right now, you know, and it's moving parallel with it in an upward position.
So is Visa...
Like Visa, like I think we could put Visa pretty soon because it's sort of paralleling. It's getting closer, but it's
still sort of sideways right now.
Yeah. Who is this? Crude oil. Oh. I don't know, man. I don't feel super. Oh wow, FedEx. I mean, you could call FedEx on this next game.
I don't want to just call anything. I want to make sure we're taking a good trade.
Yeah, here. I don't. Yeah, when I find them in this like right when it's getting ready, it's like too. I don't think we should. Ooh, crap. Odd and ZT. I think that one has the potential to go down several more candles.
It just crossed.
It's almost double crossing. That was kind of a false double cross almost. Or it did just cross. It's got the white line there. It's been going through the white line. The white line's kind of static, straight. Like, it's not like super convincing, but I think that if it does keep going down, it's a big candle.
Yeah, it's about to hit that white line, so who knows?
It wants to bounce. I think this might bounce just by that candle pressure. I think that might bounce, but that looks like it could actually keep going. My gut feeling is it's going to bounce off that white line.
It's wanting to bounce up anyway.
Right, that's what I'm saying. It got down there pretty close, but that was a crossover that would have won. Actually, that would have won if I would have seen that coming. I would have taken that one because that already had 3 red candles in front of it, or 2 red candles in front of it. It was heading towards the white line and it crossed over. It would have won.
I think this next candle will be green. Or do you think it's going to keep going down?
I don't know.
It's kind of a big candle.
I don't know because it just had a lot of down pressure and now it's fighting up. So that one's like confusing to me. Oh, but silver is about to do kind of what that one just did. We could take the put on silver if it actually crosses. Look at it, you got 20 seconds. I do think silver could go through this, go down to the white line. It's about ready to cross, and that's a nice, smooth MACD. Do you want to take it? It's on the white line, but I think it could totally go down. You want to take it?
You can take it if you want.
If it opens. Dang it. Okay, it opened. But man, it opened right on the line, which makes me nervous. But I think
But it opened big.
Look at stochastic. It opened big, and look at stochastic. Stochastic is tanking. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I think this could be a win, dude. I think it will be.
Okay, I'm gonna reset.
Not could be. I think it will be. I think it will be a win.
That's a good position. Right
now,
there.
Is it going to go way down, or is it just going to go sort of down?
I think that on this next candle, if it doesn't show like some real retraction, even if it shows retraction, I think we should just take it. We should take the next candle because look at the MACD and the stochastic, dude. They're both in the moving averages. And if this is going, it's going. If it's going, it's going. I don't know. It's done it before and then shot back up.
Yeah. The only thing that scares me is it's right near a consolidation line.
We could wait just for the next candle.
I would wait, but I think we'll win this. But I would wait and see, what it does.
There you go, baby. There you go.
Yep, we got it.
Oh, crap. Okay, I'm going to telegram. I forgot to telegram. I did tell people we were going live in 30 minutes. I forgot.
No, but you never told them we were live?
No, I never told them we were live. We're live. I'm going to tell them now. 2 wins down.
Got 2 down, 4 to go.
Yeah. I follow. It's like I totally. People can totally see who I'm following there. Oh.
Huh?
I think we should take an.
I'd like to win something at 92% for.
I don't know. What is this? 2.9. We didn't do a happy dance yet because I was.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm still looking at charts.
It's our second win. Okay,
Euro NZD.
Yeah, I think we should call the next one if it
breaks this line or what.
Well, even if it goes up to it, because it looks like it almost crossed over. I think we could, as long as this candle looks good. I almost kind of want to forget the line because I think it's gonna.
Well, that line is important because it's just been.
Well, this line's important where it's sitting
been
right
hanging from that line like Christmas garland. Look at it. Swoop.
This line right here.
Yeah.
Or this one back here. Boom.
Well, kind of all of them, but then it got to this one and look at that swoop. It's just like hit it and then swoop and then hit it again, and then now it's kind of not getting through it. So
yeah, but I think it might. I think if the MACD crosses, then but it won't. It actually probably won't now because of this. It won't cross. Well, maybe it will. If it crosses, I could take it. I'm not going to take it. It's too risky. It's too flat. The MACD is way flat right now. Like it totally could win, but that was really flat. That was a doji and a really flat MACD. So it did not give me any confirmation. But like,
yeah, that I don't know. I think it might drop a couple of candles again.
Look at silver again. I think we could actually take a put on silver. It finally stuck at that white line. It went through. That's the one we won on, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then it stuck at that white line.
It's still kind of stuck at that white line, dude. It's not. I mean, it's gone through it, but it's.
Yeah, but it's going. Look at that. It's got force. Unless it consolidates here. I mean, look at all the indicators. They're all pointing down. And so, you want to take this next one? I do. I mean, it's underneath.
It's a big candle, though.
Yeah, but it's underneath the line there. It's a big candle. Unless it retreats. Let's take it.
Okay.
It's the first trade. Crap, that was a terrible position.
Well, not if it goes down like you say it's going.
I do think it's going down because
I think it's going down. I agree with you. I think
it got past this line.
Go down. I'm agreeing with you because I want it to go down.
Okay, but it got past.
It might let off some steam here real quick and then go back down. But
that was a terrible position because it shot down like right at the last second, right when I hit the button. But I think it wants to go to this line.
Yeah, there it goes.
I think this is a waterfall chart. I think this is the beginning of the waterfall.
Come on. There you go. Come on. Now just give a big push. Big push. Big push.
Give it your down push. Give it your down. Look at the stochastic and MACD.
Big push down. Big push down.
Come on. Come on. Hold it out there.
Reach for the basement there.
Hold it out there. Hold it out there. Come on.
I think it's gonna push down.
I think it's gonna push down too, man. Hold it on. Hold it on. Come on. You got 10 seconds. You don't want to be up there.
Come on. Push down. Push down.
Come on, baby. You got 5 seconds and it's in the money and out and in and out.
Push down, push down, push down, push down, push down.
Boom, boom. 3 in a row, but no, not 3 in a row, but that's a win.
That is a win.
Crap, we should have maybe entered in again.
We didn't know.
Yeah, that was too close. But what I thought, I think it's going down to the line. Is it though? I mean, you tell me. It went down, it flattened and then it went down. It could turn around. This chart could turn around anytime. I think we should not chance this unless you think, unless it just starts really pushing. Right now it's not. Right now it's struggling.
Yeah. How many wins do we have so far? We got 3.
Have 3. So look at it. It's 20 seconds. It's going to start pushing down. Look at the indicators. They're all very clearly down. You could see this chart has.
Yeah. I don't know. There's a lot of.
Yeah. This candle scares me. Some chats in.
I don't know. I really don't trust that. All right, we got 3. We'll take those.
Let's see what it's gonna do. Yeah, it's real struggling, but yeah, old no stochastic's cricking now big time.
All right, go to odd NZD real quick because it's kind of in the same boat, dude.
Well, I like this boat. I want to see. Yeah, I mean, it's got a line down here. Yeah, I could take if you think that's more stable, that's a big line down there. I mean, it's got nothing else. Well, it's got a little bit of resistance right there where it's at. Like maybe we let it break through. See this this top line of candles right there?
You think this is going to be a little line and then it's going to shoot back up like it did before?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking it might, because it's hit this line right here, this little area of resistance. I'll call that no.
And then last time it hit that, I mean, it just kind of fell 4 candles down to it and then hit it and then just boom.
Yeah, so I mean, this could be a call, but I mean, we'd be guessing.
We would be guessing, but we'd probably be guessing correctly. But
yeah, we could take a 1 minute call from like right here. You want to do it before it goes up, before it shoots up?
Yeah. I mean, well, we're kind of losing position.
It's on the white line right now. Let's see here. I'd be okay with a call at the end of this candle.
You got the trade reset?
Let's just be safe. Wait till the end of the candle. See what this candle really does. I think when we jump in on the middle, like make crazy,
it ends up dropping below that and we lose.
Yeah. This one though, it's bouncing between these two lines, right? And so now it kind of hit here, bouncing up. I mean, to me, I would say a call would be pretty safe. You know, because it's got up.
But we don't know for sure that it isn't.
But look at it; it's almost no bottom wick and it's up pressure. You want to take it or not?
No, not at this point. But
that would have been an epic position. Oh yeah,
it would have been. But the fact that it dropped down so much, sort of.
Well, I agree with you. Because I asked you that the other day.
We've lost a lot of those. When they drop down,
drops down at the very end, then it almost like it's telling you, I'm going down now. It's just happening before the minute's over.
Right.
It's almost like taking an up bid when the candle pressure is down.
Yeah.
Just to get a better position. We'd have to be highly convinced it was going to that line.
Right.
But now I do think it is. Look at the MACD, it's starting to cross. That line up there it's gone to that line a lot, dude. I think we should just take the next candle.
Okay.
I mean, it's gone to that line a lot. The stochastic and the MACD are cricked up. Like we could take it from right here.
Doing this.
Right. But let's just take it from right here. You want to take it?
You want to call it from here?
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, if you're convinced, then, but I don't know.
I didn't do it because I didn't hear that your voice was very convinced. I'm convinced in my mind, but that doesn't mean anything.
All right, then while it's red, if you want to take a 2 minute, I would take a 2 minute.
No, it doesn't mean anything. That's what I'm saying. My mind plays tricks on me. I think that it's going up because I think it is. You know,
and it might be. I'm not convinced. You know, I'm humoring
like
you.
My mind is telling me that like that pattern. But it is
patterns break though, dude.
Right. It's at the white line and it's kind of all tangled up. So no, it's not safe enough. This isn't clearly our method. This is.
I'm glad you see that now, because I was not convinced. But what is Euro NZD? Again, look, it's the Christmas tinsel. Swoop.
Yeah. Do you think it's got another candle after this one? We could take. That'd be a better trade than the one before, but we'd have to take it now. You know,
I think
I think it's too close to that line.
It's too close. Either this one or the next one is gonna start dangling down again.
It does look good though. At some point though, don't you think it's gonna break that top line and just keep going? It wouldn't have to because the indicator position is not great. If the MACD was way down below like it was here, I would say it's gonna take off. That would have been a win too. We could win that one. Do you think it's gonna go up again? Probably not.
I don't know.
It hasn't broke above this. That'd be a real risky bid right here because this line is really important.
Risky what?
It'd be a real risky trade.
Yeah.
Not the line I have drawn, the line that it's at right now.
Oh yeah, right.
It's not really gone above that. It stayed above it. But it is in an uptrend. Let's watch it. Do you think that if the MACD confirmed, you know what I would be happy to do? If the MACD confirms a cross on this next candle.
It broke it.
It did break it, and the MACD is about to confirm a cross. I mean, it's a narrow one, but if it like shoots up like the MACD, I'm talking about the MACD, not the candle. If this closes and the MACD janks through, like actually opens up like it looks like it wants to, I'd be willing to take a call on this, even though it's at that line. Because look, the MACD's starting to starting to push. If the MACD opens hard, you want to call it. I'm talking seriously opens because everything else is.
It's trying to get through there for sure.
Right, that's what I'm saying. If the MACD opens hard right here.
Well, it's going to because of that candle pressure.
Well, I'm saying if the next candle. Here we go. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean you can. Okay, I'm trusting you. If it opens big, and it's probably going to go up from here. So it broke through there pretty well. So I mean, it could definitely just keep cranking here.
It opened hard. I mean, it opened.
I mean, I'm not convinced that we won't get 3 straight wins here. If this does what I think it could do.
Right. Because it broke through that major line of support, which is a resistance, which is right here.
And it's showing no signs of stopping now. It's like, look at me, I'm free as a bird, and I'm. So yeah.
Okay, so this could be our 4th win, and we'll re-enter. If this candle wins, let's re-enter.
We could get our 3 straight.
Even if it's freaking narrow, let's just re-enter because if it's green, as long as we win and it's clear. Because I think with the MACD up like that, unless it just turns around, but I mean, I guess it'd be worth it because we could get our next wins right here.
I don't think this is turning around, dude.
Okay, I'm with you. It's 92% too. $1.
92%. We could get 3 straight wins off this. I'm convinced. We just need 2 more green candles. That's all we need.
Okay, that's a win. Let's do a happy dance on that one.
Come on.
I still think this could win. It's only.
I think it could.
I still think the pressure of this is extremely high.
It is.
I mean, it ramped up little, bigger. I mean, it looks like this one. I think this.
Yeah, this is going up, dude. I think it's going up. I want to say that it's going up. I think we could win this still. Well, not if it keeps going that direction, but I think if it just shoots up there like it wants to do. Come on,
baby.
Get 8 seconds. Let's get up there. Come on,
man. You got. Come on, 5 seconds. 4, 3. Come on, you stinker.
Ah, dang it. Come on.
So is it going now? What do you think it's doing now?
I don't know.
Okay, we're going to a second trade against 660. I'm not sure now because it could. It's above. It just depends, man. This chart's been kind of hitting peaks and then going low, hitting peaks, going low, hitting peaks, going low, hitting peaks. It feels like this one could go either way for me at this point.
Yeah, it's showing signs of both directions here, so
we'll just watch it and see what happens. You tell me if you think the next one should be a call. I mean, I'd be close to okay with it because it had.
Okay, go to NZD/JPY real quick. NZD/JPY, you got 10 seconds. Hurry.
Well, you said it like that. Now I get nervous.
What's this going to do? We missed this one, so don't enter anything.
I don't know.
But
I mean, that one I don't know, dude. That one's I can't.
But it's not at the line yet.
Yeah, but Euro NZD. Yeah, it's not gonna be. Okay, what was that one that you wanted me on?
I mean, this wouldn't be a win yet per se, but I don't know that it's going to go to that line. I was just wondering if you think it's going to go all the way down there.
Okay, let me look at it. It's kind of iffy to me. I don't know. I haven't watched it enough. You think it's going to go down to here or there? Like it's going to go, yeah, it could go to there or there. Hit that, moves up. You tell me. I mean, the indicators are kind of iffy.
I can't tell you. I don't know.
I think that Euro NZD/OTC is still struggling. It's got a big green candle, but it's on a.
So Euro NZD did go up?
Yeah, it broke. It's still going up, like slowly, but it's going up. I almost think that I almost think we could take a 2-minute call on the next green candle, or just when it dips.
Where's
down
the
like
nearest next line? Is there one?
I don't know, man.
Right there?
No, it's up there. I mean, it's way up there. It's way up here, or even here. Maybe that's the next realistic line. but it's kind of flattening out, but not. I don't know because I hate.
We need what? 2 more wins?
Yeah. Like you want to take a 2-minute call from down here? Like this candle's red, but
I'm not sure that it isn't going to hang, and swoop like it did.
Hang and swoop.
I don't know what it's going to do from here. So we haven't been deeper than a second trade, have we?
No.
And I don't plan to. So.
Well, that one's just not convincing enough, I guess, to make it feel right. I mean,
right.
Like the indicators aren't really lined up for me, and the candle pressure is kind of crap. 45 minutes. We're at 4 wins. That's actually pretty good. We only need 6. FedEx is kind of a. It's about. It's.
Think this is going to go down another red candle?
What, Euro NZD?
Yeah.
Not really. I would be doing a 2 or 3 minute call from here.
You would?
Yeah, because it's...
I wouldn't, because it drops like 3 candles, 2 or 3 candles.
Well, I mean,
then swoops.
So we can try it.
I'm not saying to try it. I'm saying it could. No, I would rather catch it back up on the up. You know what I mean? Let it dip down.
Yeah, let it dip down and then catch it up. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, the MACD is starting to round, and the stochastic's already done its thing. It's already cricked. So yeah, I mean, there could be another candle on it. There could be another red candle on this one. There has typically been a pretty good amount of red pressure after its little rise, and
right,
it might want to go back down to this line. We could take this next one on. Yeah, this one might be. If the MACD crosses on this one, I'd be all in on this on a put. It's gotten down below there. Unless you think it's going to consolidate. But if the MACD crosses, I'm not sure the MACD is going to cross. Stochastic did.
I don't think it's going to consolidate. I think it's going to just
go down.
Take a little dip.
You want to take this put? Because I think I'm ready for the put now.
For a 1 minute?
Yeah.
You think it's going to go through that line?
Yeah. I mean, I think it's at least going to get there. Well, if it crosses. Let me just say if it crosses.
All right, you can take the next one.
I'm not going to because it didn't cross.
Oh, then we missed it.
It retracted. I had my finger on it. It retracted though, and then it didn't cross. So I thought and when I was ready for it, it was higher. Once it hit down to that line, I'm like, eh.
Oh, we'd have lost it anyway.
Right, because it was bouncing off that line. Like now, I think we're into call territory at this point.
Well, that's what I was saying. When it starts going back up.
Yeah. So how long do you want to wait? Do you think it's going to consolidate here again? Or do you think we should just take the next green candle? Do you think there's another... Do you think the next candle is going to be green is my question. It's like it was a false cross is what it was.
In my best guess, there's at least one more green candle, I think. In my best guess. Yeah, really? I would take the next call. I think that I tend to think there's going to be another green candle here. I could be wrong, but I think there will be.
The only way we get burned is if this consolidates, and
I don't think it's going to consolidate. I think it's going to go up.
I think you're right.
I mean, it has. I'm basing this
right.
on.
Well, and it falsely double crossed. That's the thing I've learned about the double cross is when you think it's going to double cross and it doesn't, you're generally going to win the other direction on the rebound, because. Just imagine if I had put that down there. It completely rebounded. It was a complete false cross. I mean, it almost crossed, dude. It literally was kissing.
There you go.
Yeah. It was literally, and I think we should take the next one too.
No, don't take the next one. But I'm hoping this one pulls up, and gives us our win, because I'm nervous about it, because it's like just riding that line. No, come on, 8 seconds. Go, higher. Oh, dang it. Come on, go.
Come on.
Upward. Oh, dang it.
Freaking... Come on, baby.
Dang it.
Okay, that's a loss. Settle down, man. You need to settle down.
Dang it. I didn't want to make it.
That was a risky trade, though, because it...
Yeah,
but
based on what it's always done, and it did go up for a while, so... But...
Yeah.
I guess...
I got you. It seemed like it was a false double cross, and then it was going to bounce. So, man, now it's making me now it's making me think you could put it, but I don't think we should do anything at this point on this one. because it's kind of making me think that it's
making me think we should get off this chart now.
Yeah, it kind of makes me think it's consolidating, and I that was my fear of that last trade. The only fear I had was it could be consolidating. Like I almost think that here, dude, listen to me on this. When I know that it's getting ready to double cross, and I'm literally sitting there getting ready to take it, and it doesn't, do you think I should just flip the bid that second? Like if we think, yep, it's going down. Because, dude, we would have won that if I would have called it right at the bottom of that green candle. That's where I was getting ready to put it, and instead I just didn't do anything. But like when it clearly didn't double cross, it just clearly like went straight, and I think that might actually be an indication that you could have won it. You could have won that candle even 5 seconds into it. Just change your bid. Just be like, nope, it didn't do it.
Changing your what?
Changing your trade.
Yeah.
That's what I did that a couple times the other day, and I think it wasn't like a totally terrible plan. I think this chart's dangerous at this point. FedEx.
I'm off that chart.
FedEx was decent.
I'm looking at some other stuff.
But I think there might be
USD
I think there might be something to the double cross fakie. Ooh, look at that, dang, dude.
What?
USD RUB is like right up there.
Yeah, another one that I'm looking at is odd NZD. Had a nice little downpour there, and now it's kind of at a line, but it's going back up. So, you see it?
Yeah. Trying to decide if I think it's going up or down. Dang it. I'm mad at Euro NZD right now because it's actually going down. I never would have won my call on that.
You think odd NZD's got another green candle in it? I'm not saying that I trust it, but I'm saying, do you think it does?
I mean, yeah, dude, I think so. I mean, it hit that line. It's been bouncing. You know?
Yeah, but it's doing kind of what I thought it might do. It's going down.
But is it going down?
Well, it's either going down or you could take a good
fat call on it.
Call from down here and it's going to go up. I don't know.
Right.
I really don't know because this could be where it's a big waterfall and it just it climbed up a couple and now it's just going back down again.
Right. But it's going to hit that resistance level again.
It's
going to hit this line. If it hits this line again, we should just take it to another 1 minute call. Like the second it hits it, we should just take it.
It's gutsy on a third trade.
Well, that's true. It isn't follow our like smooth down thing, but don't you think this is going to rebound? Well, it might not. It might go down through that line for a few minutes. You know, it might go down and we think it's going to rebound, but it might go under it by a half inch and just hang out there for a minute and then go up. It's too volatile. We need something that's actually showing signs of a true crossover.
If we had taken a call like down at the bottom where that wicked out,
yeah,
we'd be winning it massively.
That's what I was saying. That's what I was thinking to do. Take a call when it got down.
But there's no guarantees that it was going to just bounce back like that. Right. We couldn't have known that.
Right. I almost thought like as soon as we do that, it's going to start going down and it's going to hang out underneath that line for a bit. Oh, yeah. Look at Euro RUB is at a line. It's got a 3. Euro RUB, dude. Euro RUB is positioned for a put.
You think it's going to break through that line, though?
Yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't do it on a third trade. We did that earlier in one, but I might look at it though because it's
already crossed. So
it's already crossed. So it's already moved. But will it keep moving?
I don't know.
That's the one thing I don't know. If it does, it's got a little ways to go down there. It could go back down to here. You know. It's been going up though most of the time. So stuff drives me crazy. Oh man. FedEx finally took it to plunge. Auden Z. Is it?
Yeah, it's moving slow. Your RUB. I'm wondering if it's going to break this line or what it's going to do. Unfortunately, there's only 13 seconds left, so we don't know if it's really getting rejected by this line or if it's, we don't know what the next candle is going to do.
Mm-hmm.
It's not really breaking it. It kind of bounced back. So
it's finding itself. It's finding its resistance now. Stochastic is saying, I was hoping for a good breakthrough, but it didn't get one there. Oh, but Brent oil might be. I don't know. Brent oil's been consolidating at this area for a long time. Brent oil might go back up to its line up there. It's got a high line up here, or like right here. It's been going up to it, going down, up, down. It kind of crossed over.
It's been playing patty cake up there like the whole time.
These are terrible because they're close together. I mean, where's the spread open chart? Where's the spread open chart that's just fallen? Where's that one? I don't see him today.
I don't see it. I mean, I see where they've happened that we didn't catch it.
Yeah, they're kind of like the white line is kind of all up in everybody's business right now. Yeah.
NZD USD is like in a perfect flip-flop consolidation. But I'm wondering if it's going to break out and go up or break out and go down.
I think it's going up because of the way the MACD
everything's kind of gradually getting higher.
Yeah, the MACD is headed towards up.
It's kind of on an incline there.
It's converging.
Although that green candle didn't have much steam, so I tend to think it's going down, but...
Well, I mean, you got a point. It is under the white line. The yellow MACD line is on a decline. It's been up there. It's been down here. I mean, you could almost pick any one of its extremes and take the opposite way of it when it gets to it. I mean, it's been down here. It's been up there. It's sort of like bouncing between those lines right there.
If I had to take if I was taking a trade on this, it would be a put for sure. But this is still at a line, so I'm not convinced.
It'd be a put but it'd have to be a put on a green candle. That would almost have to be the...
Yeah.
You'd have to be willing to say, when this one goes up to that line again, take a put, because it hasn't broken that line for a long time. That's what I would do. I would take, as soon as it touched it, I would take it. Unless it looked like the MACD was going to cross at that moment. Are we some kind of weird psychological... Are we trying to like psychologically win against these things? Like
Kinda.
Right here. Like, do you want to take a put for a minute when it gets up to, like, right here, right now?
I mean, you could, but
we can wait.
I don't know. I don't know though. That's a lot of pressure.
That's as high as it's got, dude. It's as high as it's got. It's probably going to retract even. I mean, if it can get up there a little bit more.
The only thing is, it scares me that it might just be breaking out and climbing up. So
it's not.
You don't think it is?
It's been consolidating. Let's take the flip on it.
I don't know, man. I wouldn't do it.
I didn't do it.
No, I'm not convinced that it isn't going to just break out here. Look at the indicators.
But you said you were convinced it was going to be a put.
Well, yeah, but I didn't expect that kind of a candle. That changes things. I think this candle could turn green. Look, it's not shooting straight back down. We would have lost.
Not yet. this point, I think at the end of this candle, we should take a call. Regardless. If
now it's starting to swoop.
If the MACD crosses through, we should take a call. Unless it's, unless it's sitting right on that line. Like if
unless you want to take a call at the bottom of this candle.
Right at the bottom. That's what I'm saying. Right now,
you want to take a 1 minute from here, or do you think it's going to go up?
Yeah. That was ballsy, but
that is ballsy. That's real ballsy. But I think we're going to win it.
But you said it's going up, and look at the stochastic.
Yeah, I think it's going to. I think this will be a win.
The MACD crossed. I should have got a better position, but I was trying to wait till the end of the candle. I do think that's somewhat psychologically important, because if you don't wait till the end of the candle, you just make, we're sitting here talking, and all of a sudden I have to make a decision out of nowhere, like bam.
No, I got you. No, this is, as long as this holds and goes up a little bit more, I think it'll be good. I mean, I'm just hoping it goes up. I wanted to go up a little higher than that, because that's not looking good.
It hasn't gone up.
Crap. That's not good.
No, you got 15 seconds. You got 10 seconds now. You got 6 seconds. Is it going to shoot?
Well, the ballsiness did not pay. I wasn't convinced, dude.
There it goes. Well, I thought it was going to. Well, that's what I mean. I think it was I think it's. I don't know. I don't know what I think. I think that's the way I trade by myself.
We need to be careful.
Welcome to me trading by myself. This is what I do when I trade by myself.
What's the next trade?
I just look at stuff and.
What's the next trade?
Fourth trade. 33 what? 33,
go to 60? Odd NZD. Go to Odd NZD right now.
What is on it? Okay. Well, yeah. If it crosses over. Heck yes, dude. You want to call this?
Yeah, this is one that I think could shoot up. No, I mean, if it drops down a lot, it's showing a lot of.
Well, if the MACD is about to cross, if it crosses, I'll take it. I'm with you.
I don't know that it's going to cross, but.
Well, what do you think?
Well, then just wait, because it's dropping a lot.
Yeah, that's kind of the MACD.
Yeah, when it was dropping a lot, that scared me off. So.
Well, it's at a massive line, so it looks like it does want to go up from here. What the heck is it going to do? Yeah, we could have taken a 2 minute.
I was thinking that. We could have taken a 2 minute call on that red candle.
You want to just take a 1 minute right here? Like right now? It's sitting at that line, dude. The MACD wanted to cross, but it didn't. When it gets right down here, we should just call it for 2 minutes from here, dude.
You think so? Do you think it's gonna break this line?
No, it's starting to.
That's a lot of pressure, dude.
Yeah, we should wait till the end of this red candle and just call it.
I don't know. No, that's ballsy, dude. If we lose this, we're going to a fifth trade.
Yeah, you're right. We can't do this. I can't even do any more trading, because the indicators aren't lined up. I don't know. I mean, it could go either way at this point.
This could go down more. I don't, yeah. See, we would have lost that. I think.
Well, not yet.
Not yet, but I think that this is going to go down, dude. I think it's wanting to break through there.
Do you think it's finished with that line and it's just going down? Should we just throw a 1 minute? Well, do you want to think, is the next candle going to be red? I mean, it's more likely going to be red than green because it's in a downtrend. Everything's pointing down. It's been going down. It went up, went down, went up.
It's near another consolidation line. I know that.
So I don't feel like this is absolutely going down.
So. No, I don't either. So I'm not taking anything on this. This next trade is as important as a fifth trade.
It is, because the next trade will be a fifth trade.
Right.
Yeah. What about crude oil? Look, that looks nice. Hey, crude.
I don't know. See, some of these charts are just kind of turnaround charts. Again.
Yeah, I'm gonna start looking for a double cross that I can trust.
That would be Visa, but I mean, again, it's a downtrend, and
well, that's not a double cross, dude. I mean, it's gonna cross, but that's a fake. That's a fakey first day. That's a dang fakey, sure. In fact, I would just take a 3-minute put on this.
Yeah, you would, but
I would, because it's totally gonna fake and go down. The double
it's
cross
moving sideways though. I wouldn't do anything.
Right, the double cross is not even real there. It's barely even touching. I mean, it's just sideways. The double cross looks sideways. Crude oil looks like, man, crude oil is like cranking up from here. We just missed a massive position on crude oil just over those. You think crude's gonna go green next?
It's at a line. I don't know. It's kind of at a bit of a line, and there's a big top wick on that. So no, I wouldn't take it.
Like it. If there's a bottom wick, a nice bottom wick on the previous candle too, which means it's had some down pressure.
I don't know though. This looks like it's going up, so I don't know. But it's these. Oh dang! This is one that could turn around at any moment, and we could get that turnaround, or we could get. It's hard to say. But yeah, that's a good. It shot right past that line, so I don't know. Would you take the next one, or do you think we're due for a turnaround?
I would take it pretty soon, just because I would just sit here and look at these all day and think, yeah, it's probably going up. I would probably take a 2 or 3 minute up on it though, just so I didn't lose my butt on a turnaround candle.
Yeah.
I can wait till this opens, and if it looks like it's still going, we can take a 2 minute. What do you think?
Well,
let's see it open.
It's at a line though. It's at a line right now. So,
well, it jumped above that line and went above.
Yeah, but there's another line, and it's right at it.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, and this looks sideways to me. So.
Yeah, it's like a little candle wiggling. Everything else is up though. Everything else is really up, and it's moving up. This looks sideways to you?
Well, it did for a second. It doesn't now, but
this chart's been going up this whole time. Now it's at a line. It's at right now. It's sitting at a point where it didn't want to get above the last candle. Now it's gonna. Let's keep watching it, because at some point we can't watch it too long. That's the problem with these. You just don't know. This next we've missed like 3 green candles.
Yeah, and at some point it is long overdue for a red candle.
Right. Unless it's going up, unless it's just going to be, it could have, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a lot of green candles, like a lot.
Yeah.
Usually you don't count that many. So
I tend to think this one could go red. Maybe not, but it could.
I don't have any indication from the indicators at this point. It's like flying blind, basically, because the indicators are all just tanked up.
Right, which means that because the candles have been going up, the indicators are kind of useless at this point.
Right, exactly. They could just be, unless they just totally turn.
And that's what I was waiting on right there. It was due for this. And the big question is it going to just keep going up after this, or is it, going to go down a couple of red and then go back up, or what? Or is it going to consolidate? Because those candles are pretty close in size.
Oh, crap. I'm pulling all the ones over to my left that are going to double cross soon. One's odd and Z. One is silver. Silver actually could double cross pretty soon. It looks like it would be.
I don't know. I mean, that chart just looks really janky, and I don't trust it because it's in a big.
it's kind of sideways, but that one, I'm saying it might double cross. So I'm just going to pull the ones that I think are going to double cross. And I'm going to show them to you. Because then we'll have two confirmations here.
Gold is about to cross right now. But it's also at a line, a big line.
Oh, yeah, dude. Gold would be a good put. Yeah, I would have put gold. If I would have seen that freaking sooner.
Sorry, I didn't know about it sooner.
No, I know. Yeah, that's fine.
But it's going to hit another line here soon. And
it's kind of crossing.
I don't know that it's even obeying that line. It might obey the line it was already just at because it's not going down very fast. I don't know if it's going to turn around or if this is just going to be a little green candle and then.
Was this gold?
Huh?
You're talking about gold?
Yeah.
All I would care about is if this next candle won. Yeah, if this one would have won. It obeyed the double cross, at least on this one. I'm not saying it's going to turn. I'm not saying the next one's going to be good, but it probably could. It obeyed the double cross.
The next one is probably going to be another red candle, but I don't know.
That candle was moving so slow and so scary. I wasn't sure.
Yeah.
But that might be a good thing. Let's watch gold because you watch the candle pressure on gold. If it gets below this and it doesn't act stupid, we could probably take a 2-minute put.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's kind of waterfalling.
Yeah. It is at this point.
It's below the line now. Everything else looks pretty good. Even if it comes back up and touches that, almost think now we could put it because it's got a good amount of down pressure.
Yeah, but relieving that much pressure, that I don't know, because that could be another.
It's at that line. It's sitting on that line right now.
And that could be a sign that it kind of got rejected. It could be a lot of things.
I'm going to go look for double crosses for you. Oh, crap. Euro RUB. Euro RUB. Was that the one I was talking about earlier? No, it wasn't. 33 seconds. Euro RUB.
What about it?
Well, it was getting ready to double cross.
It doesn't look, I mean, it looks like a run-of-the-mill crap chart to me.
Yeah, right.
There's nothing about that looks good.
I think the next one's going to be a put. So let's just act like we put it. Just act like it.
Sure.
Okay, because it almost crossed, but then it didn't. And
I'm still looking at gold.
Okay, keep looking at gold. I'm gonna the run of the mill crap chart's gonna be a put in my mind because it double crossed, but it didn't. It retracted. It went sideways. So I think that might not be a good idea to take a put on the bottom of a red candle. 101 from back in the day. Don't be putting red candles. Don't be putting on red candles.
Okay, gold is got a little bit of a green candle here. Does that mean? And it's at this line, so it's either turning around, or it's just gonna keep going.
Yeah, I would put gold for 1 minute.
Wait, you would put it? You think it's gonna keep going down?
Gold once it got up to this line, I'd put it.
But what if it's just getting rejected altogether? And it's just
I have no idea, bro. That's what I mean. I don't know.
Because it could go
like a 1 minute put right up there would have been good because it's probably going to consolidate or
if it's depending on whether it's going to consolidate or go up. Could just go straight back up, or it can consolidate, or it could keep going down. It's hard to say.
Yeah, because the only trade I would have been 100% sure on would have been when it double crossed. When you first mentioned it, right when I got there, I was like, crap, double crossed. That's why I was looking for double cross. Odd NZD just double crossed on this candle right here, and I freaking probably would have won it. I'm gonna watch it just for kicks and giggles because I've been watching it.
All right, hold on. Go back to gold because it got the green candle and now it's going back down. So, and it's well past that line. So I'm not sure that it won't just go,
all right,
straight into.
Down. You want a 1 minute at the bottom, or do you want me to wait till it opens and make sure it's not retreating?
Yeah, make sure
it's not going to flip and then take it.
Yeah, make sure it's not going to flip because it could start alternating red and green, and we could end up, with.
I think it's gonna. I think we should just go ahead and put it for 2 minutes right up here when it gets
okay.
Up, as it goes up, let it get green. Like if it shows a nice, even here,
it's not going to go that green, I don't think.
So you think if it wicks out again, or just hold on because it's too slow. I don't like being at the bottom of this. I don't like being right at the bottom of this candle.
Do you think it's going to turn around though in 2 minutes?
I don't know.
I mean, it's well down there, so. Okay, I think you could probably take a 2 minute, but I don't know.
Right here? Quit doing that. Yeah? 2 minute? Yeah?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, let's go for it.
Why'd you say yeah?
Yeah, let's go for it. Well, we're committed now, so we're in it. We're committed to a put here, but let's hope it was the right move.
146. 146. All right, I'm going to go look at Odd NZD because I've been kind of excited about that one. No. Odd NZD. I'm not going to look at that one because, I'm just going to watch it for our viewers and for us. So we think it's broke through the line, but it looks like it's bouncing now. But let's just pray and hope. We're hoping and praying in the binary options trading session today, folks, that we are right and that the down pressure is going to relieve.
It is going to go. I think it's going to go down. I think it's still going to go down.
Yeah, I do too. We got 1 minute. Like this next candle could be red. If it starts out green, I would call us royally screwed. That's what I would call us if this candle starts out green. I still think, like, for future reference for me, I would like to make a decision when it's around a really strong point.
There it goes. Yes. Come on.
If it opens red, then we're good. We're so good if it opens red. Dang it. I wish I would have waited.
There we go. We got this, bro. We got this. It's going down. 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 Yes. Thank you, Lord. It is going down. It is going down. I believe this is going down, bro.
I think you made a right choice. I believe you did make a right choice. 35 seconds. Strong candle. Strong down.
Yes.
In fact, I'm going to set this for 1 minute, and if this wins, I'm going to enter back in at 290. Because it's going down. It already.
Yeah, I think it's going down from here, and it's just gonna get. We're gonna get another red candle after this. I believe it, bro. I believe it.
15 seconds. And it doesn't matter if we don't. We got to believe we're going to. I mean, indicators are down. This whole thing is down. So we are going to win this. And then, oh gosh, oh Lord, what happened?
Oh,
what happened?
Oh, we got it. We got it, bro. We got it.
No. We tied it.
Wait, that was a tie?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, that was so close. I don't even know what to say about that.
Okay.
That was hilarious. That was so close, bro. Well, it looks like we tied it. What bid was that? Was that a 33?
It was a 33. Yeah, we tied it.
Okay. Well, let's go again. Let's go again on this one. 33.60. I mean, is this? Well, I don't know.
I don't know that this is.
Well,
the right
look at it. Look at it. It's going down, dude. It's beyond that. Look at this next candle. Let's just take it now. Can we just put it now?
For 1 minute or two?
I mean, maybe two. You want to do two? Just go for it now. It's at if it can get back up. If it can get back up to this level.
Well, it's going down consistently. So
you want to just one on this one?
No. I don't want the random turnaround candle. So
okay. So, all right.
Let's see how it opens and then take a 2.
Okay.
Let's see what it does when it opens because it might retract some because this is a pretty strong candle.
I think this is going to shut down, dude. I think it's going to shoot down for sure. All right, I'm on it. You tell me if to abort. If not, it opens up, it goes up, and I'm just going to take it because you're not going to tell me anything.
Yeah, you're good. I trust it.
Yeah. So because now look at the indicators. They're cricking and they're pushing. That one that we just tied was, oh man, that was so crazy. I'm just glad
we tied it.
Thank goodness.
Come on. Go down.
Yeah, this is a big down. I'm going to reset the trade to 1 minute, and I'm going to reset it back to 290 in case we win this one.
Then we're going to win this one.
Yeah, we're going to re-enter.
We have to win this one.
Look at the indicators, dude. If we lost this trade, I'd be surprised. I always say that, but like honestly, these indicators are like just tanking down. This is a waterfall. In fact,
yeah, it is.
I'm not so sure that we shouldn't just enter 4 or 5 more trades on this one. You tell me if we're gonna win. I'm looking at the. I'm posting on Telegram now.
Come on, go down. We're on the second candle of our trade here.
Jeez, oh Lord. We're at 1 minute. With strong down signal here. We had strong down pressure. I kind of hate 2-minute trades, to be honest with you.
Just for this reason. Yeah, but the problem is sometimes we get the random turnaround candle. This is still going to go down, bro. I think it's going to go down. Yeah, there it goes. Thank you.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. I'm hoping so. And if it does, let's just re-enter. If it's a clear downwind, it's a 1 minute, 20 seconds. Lord, give us this.
Lord, turn that candle red.
Yeah, baby. Let's go red with it. Let's go red. I'm going to put a 2 minute on this one, especially if it ends green. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We won it, and we're at 290 at 2 minutes. Dude, happy dance to you, baby.
Thank you, Lord.
Hey,
yeah.
Tell the listeners out there, we just won the trade. And I'll go ahead and explain why I re-entered anyway, because this is just a waterfall chart. It's just going down, and this has been a little bit of a tough trading session. Not totally.
Well, that was only a fourth trade. We still had one more, but we don't want to go beyond. We really don't want to.
We've just been having a little bit of a hard time making decisions today. So I think that some of these, like right away when we win them, we could just jump right back in, especially when the indicators are this clear. I mean,
bro, I think we could win this. I think
we could too, dude. I think this candle's going to end here in 5 seconds, and it's going to start going down. I think this little green candle is just its little reprieve of up pressure.
There we go. We're going to get another red candle here, and it's going to be an easy, clear win.
I think so too.
Hopefully. I'm just...
Okay, so that was a win. Oh, so far today. Yeah, I think. Well, I mean, this is kind of interesting. I think we're still in such a good position, even if
we're staying below. We're staying below that line. That's the good thing.
Even if it's consolidating a tiny weeny bit.
Oh yeah. There it goes. That's what I'm talking about. As long as this stays red, we are in good shape, bro. Oh yeah, it's going down. It's going down. So
yeah, it's below its other candle level now. So
right
now, you don't want to enter again, do you?
No. Do you?
No, I don't know. I mean, not really, because I mean, it's been an hour and 20 minutes now, so we're at our 90 minutes almost, and we've succeeded. So, dude, boom, that's it. That's how it's done here at the Fascinating World of Binary Options. 6 wins.
And we didn't ever talk about any weird people.
All right, let's get on it. I mean, we talked about our weird family, and we talked about hairy stuff.
I mean, our family isn't that weird, but what are some real weird people?
Yeah, okay, that's what I was saying. We don't focus on our family because you made a point. Everybody is weird, dude. I mean, like,
yeah. What is weird? Define weird. I mean, because I know people that just like their idea of a fun night is to sit down and read a book, and that's weird to me. But to them, that's like normal. But they would look at somebody, who's got dreadlocks and all tattooed and whatnot, and they think that ear gauges, and they think that that's weird. But
yeah.
So everybody kind of has their own judgment on what's weird.
I don't know if weirdness has evolved with the internet age or the media age, because if you look at pictures of people back in like the 1900s, 1800s, they all look the same. They never would have went out in public.
Well, that's when the sideshow, remember, like they'd have the most tattooed woman.
Yeah.
And that was considered an oddity at the time. Like
that was really like the fact, like normal people that we went to school with could have been in the sideshow. But now they're just at school with us. Back then, dude, if you found somebody like some of the people we went to school with.
Well, I remember like there was a time when, you thought, I'm going to get a tattoo. I'm going to like stand out in the crowd. And now it's like, okay, now like try removing your tattoos and you'll be you'll be abnormal. You
want
to be weird.
Moms have tattoos, dude.
Huh?
Look how many soccer moms have tattoos. They got 3 kids and a tattoo and like a white picket fence.
Yeah, like I actually think like because I'm not judging anybody with tattoos, but I personally do not have any. I never will. It's not for me. My wife does not have any tattoos, and I feel like, dude, I got a rare woman because I mean,
you do because you don't have no tattoo. Well, my wife doesn't either. So but some people in our age group are not into tattoos. Because think about it, our age group of people, like we're in our 40s, tattoos were like the taboo. They were like the, if you wanted to be cool and like punk, you just get a tattoo and then you're like totally crazy. Now it's like millennial hipsters just get tattoos, just all the cool people. And
well, even people like when we were in school, I think getting the what was it called, the tramp stamp, right above your butt crack, butterfly or whatever.
Well, I have one of those. I have one of those. That's not a tattoo. That's a tramp stamp.
Yeah.
My wife has one of those too.
Oh yeah.
No. But that was like cool back then.
Yeah, I mean,
or no, maybe it wasn't. I'm not sure.
So I wonder how many. Well, it was kind of a thing that people just. It was kind of trending for a while. So I mean, ladies that are like our age, I wonder how many of them have a butterfly above their butt crack. Because
oh yeah, like 40-year-old moms.
There has to be a ton.
There's because that was a ton of them. Yeah,
that was kind of a thing back then. And okay, I can't see my. Hold on, I'm gonna reload this page because I can't see the comments.
Reload what page? Oh, well, good luck for you. Okay, he reloaded till he got kicked out. There wasn't very many comments on this session.
Well, my comments kind of like got, I don't know, messed up.
I got it. I got you.
Who else in there? Because I can't see any comments now.
Wi-Fi's in there, and that seems to be it on the comments.
Okay.
Today's session was kind of lowly attended.
It was. It's like when we do well.
Yeah. Well, dude, I was thinking that five deep gets kind of scary kind of quick. I mean,
it does get scary quick, yes.
But I mean, we recovered. It seems like it takes us a good hour to just get the feel for it. Maybe the first hour we should just sit there and talk. First 45 minutes.
Well, it depends on what we find. I mean,
Yeah, because we found some good, things. I don't know, man. Well, we're back to this. The thing is, we won. We won 6 trades. We increased our account by 10%.
Jessica Blue. Oh, I think she is part of our. I think she signed up for our Inner Circle thing.
Tomorrow.
She's from YouTube.
Friday. Tomorrow's gonna be weird, dude. I got to tell you about my my schedule. I'm not gonna be here at lunchtime. I gotta move my Friday tunings to not Friday anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah. I probably won't be here till crap.
We'll just play it by ear. We might have to do it tomorrow night.
Yeah, I'm gonna be home by like 3:00 maybe, but that's 4:00 your time.
Yeah, it's kind of right in the middle of my day.
Right. We could play it by ear. We'll just hang it. We're gonna have to play it by ear tomorrow because usually it's gonna be at like 12 o'clock Central Standard. But I've still got tunings on Fridays right now. From
piano tunings is what he's talking about. For those of you that don't know, we tune pianos for a living.
Yeah.
Until we do this for a living.
I think I could just close off my schedule in the afternoon. Like I go to MTSU, which is a big university. I work on their studio pianos, so I think I could probably move my schedule to still do them on Friday morning, but just don't stay over there and don't.
So let's go over the financials. Close that out and put in the money. Let's see.
Well,
where
I already did. I put a.
So we got a few at 92%. Those last few were at 92, weren't they?
Yeah. So we had 1461.
We won a fourth trade at 92%, right?
I think so. Well, let me look. I don't know.
Or was that on? What was that on?
I'm not sure. Let's go back to the.
I'm gonna go look here.
I'm looking for you. It was 80%, 80%, 80%, 88. We lost them all at night. We won one.
There was an 80%. Never mind.
We won a 92.
Wait, no. Yeah, it was 80.
Trade. Yeah, we didn't really. We won one 92% trade. It wasn't that big deal. Oh my gosh. I'm off this. Every time we come back, I'm like, oh, look at that one.
I know. What are you looking at? Gold?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
That's fine, but dude, today was fairly safe, and we made it. We got a level up, so that's fine. All I care about is getting a level up and not getting to 5 deep. I can, dude. I can sense your tension, and you're like, you get so nervous. Like, you probably should keep getting nervous.
We need to take every trade like it's a 5th trade. I mean, because if we play it that safe, I mean, think about how do you think some people win 3 out of 4?
Yeah, they probably sit there forever and wait till the exact moment that they freaking 97% believe that it's going to be it. Yeah, there were a lot of trades that I was thinking about taking today that I was like, literally like, I don't know, maybe it'll go up.
Yeah, and we can't do
terrible. So we made 1461. We were only supposed to make 1392. No, we were only supposed to, 1392. So we are a little bit above. We're at 138.30. We're $1.30 into level 7. So,
Okay.
Tomorrow we'll play it by ear. If Todd's available and I get done early.
So we're still from where we were at level 12, we're in a deficit of how much still? How much of that 90 did we repay?
Well, since then we've only made $25 back.
Okay.
We've had 2 winning sessions since then, right?
Yeah.
About two, because I think we lost some money on that one night we were trying to do a super series. I think we lost like $4. No.
We made like $1 or something.
Yeah, so we've made about $26 back from the 90. So we're that's not even my focus anymore. We're gonna slowly.
No, we're clearing levels, but I really want to get. Are you feeling good about 5 trades or?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, 5 or 6, dude. Why I like 5 is, dude, we just increased by 10.5%.
Right.
And, generally we're only going like 1 deep. I think if we just keep our heads straight.
We're going to have to be real careful and just make sure that every trade is taken as seriously as a last trade.
Yeah, I don't know what it's going to feel like to be on a 5th trade, but I've kind of given this up I've just given it up. Bro, it's like if we get down and we lose a 5th trade, well, we're going back to level 2. We'll be back. If we lost a
5th trade right now, we would be back to less than $100.
We could be at we would be at 138. We'd still be, but we wouldn't be fortified anymore. So we'd have to.
Yeah, but I don't. I mean, we started this off with only 5 deep, and we won every night.
Right.
But we only went for 3 trades. I mean,
yeah, we'd be back to $75 at 5 deep. I mean, we would literally be back to level -4.
Right now we're doing 6, so we are doing double the amount of trades, but it's so that we can fortify. So, and that's important.
If we blow this out, then we're gonna go back to -5, level -5, and we'll be at $75, fortified at $75. And we'll keep going. That's all we can do, dude. Because long term, to make this an income, we have to win 6 a night, 6 a day, and not lose, and just build this up to level 90. I mean, if it takes us freaking 2 years,
it's not going to happen. We're going to get there in 70 days. We are going to be careful, and we're going to make sure.
This definitely felt way more safe, way more doable, way more in control than trying to do a super series.
Yeah.
Because that's just a big emotional mess.
Because you don't have to win them consecutively. You just win it, and that's.
The Super Series was an emotional roller coaster because you'd get to like 2 wins. You'd be like, 1 more win, we're going to get it. And then you lose. You're like, crap, back to the beginning. It was always just, then you get to the end of the night and you're like, we made $1. It was emotionally stupid. This method keeps me calm. I mean, as long as you got a calm head on yourself, which you do.
Yeah.
And I've got a little bit of impulsiveness, but that's probably good because I'm willing to take the trade. I'm willing to hit the button. I can't even imagine how these trading sessions would be going if we had you hitting the button like we initially planned. Remember?
Yeah, that's why I couldn't do it. I got to be able to just look at the chart and figure out. I almost
guarantee you I'd be screaming in the mic going, just hit the freaking button. Why did you not hit the freaking button?
Yeah, I got scared.
You'd be like, well, I saw that candle was getting a little small. I don't know. All right, guys, that's it for the live stream today. We'll be back tomorrow. We will put it on the Telegram when we're going live. So if you want to know exactly when we're going live, then join our Telegram at Fascinating
Binary Options.
No, the Telegram handle is Fascinating Binary.
Oh, Fascinating Binary Options.
Yeah, fascinating. We couldn't. It was too long to say fascinating world of binary. So it's just called Fascinating Binary Options. Meet us there on Telegram, and then you can follow along with our inner circle. You'll know exactly when we go live every day, but it's generally about the same time, 9 o'clock ish on CST, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday night, and then Thursday and Friday it's around lunchtime. Saturday it's going to be a random. All right, we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.